Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas, part of our scalp trade series. We're looking at stocks which are top gainers, low float, heavy volume news, float rotation, moving very quickly. Not financial advice. This is not a suggestion to buy, but letting you know stocks that are really moving. And this information is provided by Ed Nevius, our scalp trading expert that provides scalp trading training, which he has paid to learn to you for free. It's a service we provide to our members. We don't charge you for training. We provide it completely free for our members. We're not trying to grow the biggest Discord server. We're trying to grow the best for our members. That's what it's all about. And this morning, Gap, GPS, is up. We've recognized it. This will go out today on our channel as a main video, and it will rank. Leave me your thoughts below. I wouldn't be surprised if we rank number 1 or 2 with this within a week. We do for nearly all of our stocks that we cover. A little bit of extra information for you, just so you know. We've got an undervaluation here of 1% at the moment. Best case scenario, 1%, a 37% undervalued. It looks pretty accurate as well. Overvalued, worst case scenario, 31%. If I scroll down and look, we've got a flat earnings for 14.9 billion, but flat, as you can see. Scroll down, 1 billion in assets, 8.4 billion in liabilities, of which long-term debt is 1.5 billion. So we've got a bit of debt, but it only makes up 17% of our liabilities. So the balance sheet won't be amazing, but I would guess it'd be somewhere in the region of 50 to 55. I don't know. I'm seeing it for the first time. I'm doing this very, very quickly. We'll scroll down and see it in a minute. Gross margins, 39%. Pretty flat, though. Just business as usual, this business. There you go. Look at that. That's called experience, folks. I swear to you, I did not know that. I'm just looking. After you've done these a lot, you get to know the trends, people's sentiment. You can see where things are going pretty much most of the time. Honestly, I literally just guessed that by looking at the numbers, and I was spot on. Just saying. That's what experience does. Now I'm gloating. Let it go, Martyn. Move on. No, sod it. I was right. 52 was the solvency score. So it's a good balance sheet. Not amazing, not great, but it's okay. It's okay. It's not going bust. Absolutely not. All green sentiment there. 48% profitability, which is okay. Nothing outstanding, but okay. 1% downside from Wall Street. Average 60% downside, worst case scenario. And we've got a 49% upside on the best case scenario as well. Let's scroll down, and you can see insiders have been dumping the stock, have been selling the stock as well. We've got short interest of 17.81, not enough for a short squeeze. Sentiment, let's move down. What have we got? No, not much news here. Oh, hang on, I beg your pardon. 1 day ago, let's have a quick look at this. Let's have a quick look here, just a very quick listen in.
We had margin expansion, both gross margin and operating margin expansion, and we did it off of 15% less inventory. I think it's also really important to recognize this is our 5th consecutive quarter where we grew share. And what it's doing for us, it's really indicating that customers are responding well to our brand reinvigoration efforts. We've talked about it before. Reinvigorating this legacy portfolio of awesome brands has been an incredible opportunity, and the culture that we have now that's really driven to unlock that potential is really gaining momentum. It's also the first time that all 4 of our brands have reflected positive comps, and that's in many, many years. So look, there's a lot to be excited about. We're on stronger financial footing. Our brands are resonating, and really we're just getting started.
Richard, I've been following Gap for like 20 years. Full disclosure, I've never actually seen results like this from the company. I mean, I know you're almost a year in, but I mean, hats tip to you on this stuff. But I think one of the biggest stories...
We'll leave it there. Just doing a quick coverage today on it. Last 90 days, 73% positive. Last 30 days, 73% positive. 77% the last 7 days, and 77% today. We are getting a very, very nice sentiment bounce on this stock. Things look good, but of course now it could be overbought. But according to our intrinsic value, it's not overbought. Well, on a best case scenario, it's not overbought at the moment, but obviously it's starting to rally. So there you go, latest news. If you want any information about our scalp trades, you can follow them with Ed Nevius. It's provided free. We provide free training. Click above my head. martynlucas.com is my website. You'll find the all links page. All the links for everything, all our giveaways, all our prizes, or our links, the whole works. Down below in the description and pinned to the top of the comments, you will find more information on this. And look below in the description, you'll find the links to our Discord server. I will tell you now, it's only for members. We don't want the biggest, we want the best. So it's a service provided for free to our members, not to general public. Okay, it's only a couple of bucks to be a member, by the way. Over here, I'll put the series of Ed Nevius' scalp trades and the playlist as well for Gap. And as we get more news, updates on Gap, we will bring it to you. There you go. What a great day today. What a stock, what a movement. Part of our series with Ed Nevius. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.